Hi friends, we are installing this pop-up outlet and wireless charger in our countertop. So we need to drill a hole. So that's why we bought these Spyder accessories. This is a 4 5/8 inches drilling accessory for holes of 4 5/8 inches. Okay, as you can see. This is what we need for this accessory. And you need this pilot drill and arbor, okay? So we bought them together. So easy. This will help you to drill the hole perfectly. So first you want to install the actual drilling accessory to this guide. So it's so easy. You just have to pull this back and screw it here. Okay. At the end, you want this also to be connected there. And it's so easy to put it away. You just press this button and you can get this out. Okay. That depends on the depth of the accessory. So this driving unit, this arbor, will help you with different sizes, okay? So I'm just going to use it in the standard placement. There it is, because you get enough of the driving bit, okay? So let's bring the machine, the tool, and do the hole. Okay, so we have measured and we have the exact point where we are going to do the hole. So we are going to use our regular tool or drill. Okay. Perfect. You want to use safety accessories, safety equipment. Okay. And now we are ready to go. We don't want to use the hammer function. We are going to drill on wood, so it has to be the regular. As you can see with these Spyder accessories, you make a perfect hole, just what you need. This is the hole that you drill, and we are going to be able to install our pop-up outlet.